Lisa Eldridge, because all my makeup videos tend to be Lisa Eldridge centric, because I like her. And she has an offer at the moment. What you normally get for £129 if you bought separately. So I bought a makeup bag, which just to show you how big it is, that's how much makeup I've got in it, which is all the makeup I'm going to be using today. And her Kitten Lash eyeliner, and I tend not to use liquid eyeliners, although I was using them a bit at when I went on holiday. So well, a Rimmel one, not a Lisa Eldridge one, which I had for years. So I was well overdue buying a new one anyway. And I thought I'd try the Kitten Lash flick thing, which I had to practice out yesterday. I looked at her video and didn't do too badly, but I'm still not brilliant at them. But I thought I'd just do this video to show you anyway. So it's her eyeliner, her mascara, Kitten Lash eyeliner and mascara, and also her Kitten Mischief lipstick, which you can get as a set with that. £77 I think it was, and it normally retails, you used to buy all 4 of those items separately at £129, so it is a bargain if you want to do something like that. So I'm going to start with, I didn't take it out of my thing a minute ago, yes, Technic primer. So I won't look in the mirror to do this because I don't really need to. It's Technic Gel Primer because it's, as an old lady of 55, it's more moisturising, so I decided to go with that one. So next step then, I use my Technic primer, which is that. And I use a concealer brush to put it on. And I will use a mirror for this bit. I use a Lisa Eldridge palette mirror actually. So I had a look at Lisa Eldridge's tutorial, so I'm going to do vaguely what she did. Well, so when I say tutorial, it was the one publicising the Kitten Lash mascara and eyeliner, which is about 7 months old now. And she used Vega in the brow bone area. And I decided to use, well, I don't have Vega anyway, I'm not buying Vega just to do that. But I think it was a grey shade that she has in Vega. Ooh. So I'm going to use, and I had an experiment yesterday with this as well, in Myth. I'm going to use their grey shade, which is that one. It is called Mauve Decade, so if you look at the description, I think it said it's a grey mauve colour. So it's sort of like a purpley grey, I suppose. Anyway, before I do that, I will do my eye primer. Just use this mirror. Where'd that bit come from? No idea. I think it might have been from mascara I was wearing yesterday, which I haven't taken off properly. I think this, because I cleaned this brush yesterday, and I think it's still a bit wet, so I'll just put a bit more on. Just made this hasn't dried properly from me cleaning the brush yesterday, so oh well. Normally looks a lot thicker than this and drier than this, but never mind. Well, the primer is not brilliant, and that's my fault because I washed this last night and it hasn't had a chance to dry, so never mind. Anyway, this is sort of a grey. I think it looks more grey than mauve. But anyway, I'm going to do that as a thing in the socket line. Now, to do the wing bit, I will do it the way Lisa does it. I'll use a mirror that I'm going to put down there because I'll need both hands. It might go off camera, so she uses her finger to pull it like that. It's a little bit well winged. Anyway, I'm just not very good at doing these winged eye things. A bit better. I think I've done it a bit longer. I don't know if it's any better though. This one again. I always seem to do one better than the other, and it's always a bit longer again. Yeah, I always go thicker on that eye for some reason. Anyway, I'm going to get a custard cotton wool to get rid of it, so I've done it in the right angle. So, I'll do a proper line. See, that's what happens with me. I can never get it right. I always go under for some reason. I don't know if it's because of the shape of my eye. So I've totally messed up that one anyway. Okay. I think I'll probably have to do that again. I always managed to do this one a bit better, but anyway. I'm going to do it. I don't think I'm going to apply it again. I'm just going to... I can't find my makeup pads anywhere. I've got some proper cleansing pads, but anyway. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit of Lisa's cleanser, which I bought separately before I realised she was doing this deal. So I'll try and tidy up here. Oh God, look at all this. See, this is why. I think I might just leave it up to the brow, just for the hell of it. I'll use some of that one. I'll probably just tidy up. No, that looks right in this, doesn't it? So what, I'll do it. What I might do is, what pig's ear I made. I did it better yesterday than I've done today. I don't know if it's because it's the morning. I'm more tired. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I will just get rid of most of it. Just leave a tiny flick. See what I mean about not being very good at flicks? I did okay yesterday as well, never mind. Anyway, this is real life, so what I might do is get a clean one. Do that again. Now I've got rid of the excess. Okay, well, I made right pig's ear of that, but never mind. This is real, folks. I'm not very good at those in the best of... I did this a lot better yesterday, but never mind. So, that's that one. And I will put her mascara on next. Her foundation number 5. I might just go over the eyeliner and the mascara again. Actually, before I do that, I forgot to do line under my eyes with the grey, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to attempt the flicky bit out this time because I made such a mess of it before. I did the eyeliner a lot thicker yesterday and I think I preferred it that way, so I'm going to just go over it one more time. I'm not going to bother with the flick bit. Put a bit more mascara on. I like putting 2 coats of her mascara on, just makes them a bit more obvious you're wearing mascara. With one it's a bit too subtle for my liking. And this looks a bit smudgy, my where I try to do the flicky bit, so I'm going to go over my cheeks and my brow bone with, this is Bare Minerals bronzer. I'm going to use the bronzer as blusher because I can't be bothered with too much faffing about today. To do my brows, I'll just do that. So this is Technic Brow Gel that I'm using. Okay, so that's that for the moment. I'm just going to change my clothes and then put my lipstick on and spray my face with setting things. More clothes now. So I'm just going to finish off using Lisa's setting spray and Kitten Mischief. So this is Luxuriously Lucent, which is more sheer than her Velvet range. I prefer a Velvet range, but the one thing I would say about a Velvet range, it feels really nice on the lips, and I've seen other YouTubers comment on this, breaks really easy, and on the cluts I drop things all the time, so I've got 2 of her Velvet lipsticks and they're both broken. I'm still using them, but I'm just mentioning that just to bear that in mind. So if you don't want any breakages, I'd recommend getting the Luxuriously Lucent range because that's less likely to break because it's a lot more moisturising ingredients in it. I assume that's why. But I actually prefer, as a lipstick, I prefer the Velvet range. But this is Luxuriously Lucent, which is a bit more sheer. So, okay. So this is her Kitten Mischief Luxuriously Lucent. And one thing I forgot to do is buff my bronzer so it's more subtle. This is another Lisa Eldridge tip. And I'm just going to finish off with her setting spray, which is called, what's it called? Skin and Makeup Enhancing Mist. So it makes you look a bit glowy. That's the main reason I like it, because I'm a woman of a certain age, 55, and it helps my face look less lined in my opinion. So there you go. If you go too close with it, which I always seem to manage to do, it can go up your nose or make you cough, but I've done my nose a bit, but it hasn't made me cough. There you go. I will do another video in natural light so you can see what this makeup looks like in natural light. I'm not sure whether the eyeshadow, you can see it because the primer I used went a bit wet because I hadn't dried the concealer brush out properly. So anyway, you've seen the video, you know what I've done, what mistakes I've made, so that's it. And I will go on a dog walk, and I will on the dog walk I will do another video in natural light. So see you in a minute. 15 minutes, half an hour after I've done my makeup, and this is me in natural light, just to give you an idea what it looks like in natural light. Anyway, if you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. I'm Anne Marie. Bye.